down here at Kawaihae for a catch, clean, and cook. That's today on Eat and Be Eaten.
Can you see him?
Oh yeah.
Moving? That is a little Papio. A little baby.
Papio make for great eating, but at this small size it's best to let them go on swimming. Fortunately, we also catch a Mamo. It's an endemic Hawaiian damselfish that's abundant on the reefs.
So what we have here is a roi, very invasive, poisonous to eat, so we'll kill it.
These roi eat huge numbers of native fish eggs and can be especially toxic here on the Big Island.
Wow, he is beautiful. For this Mamo, I'm going to use a preparation that goes really well with these kinds of reef fish, and that's just lightly dredged in flour and then fried in oil at a medium to medium-high temperature. Now for my dish, I'm going to go into the base with ginger, garlic, and chili minced up. Aromatic flavor profile to underlie this dish. And then to plate up, I'm going to use purple sweet potato puree and a side of Hoio salad, which is fiddlehead ferns tossed with some seaweed and cherry tomatoes. Really nice. Click the link right here to see a video of me showing you how to prepare the Hoio salad. It's pretty simple and a very tasty dish.
This is Reef Fish for dinner on Eat and Be Eaten. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Us fishing, hunting, recipes, everything. Aloha.